Okay, I'm going to make orange sauce real fast. Here are the ingredients, and except for sugar, which isn't shown here, and also note that this is a low sodium soy sauce, so it still has tons of salt, but a little bit less. So first thing, you mix the soy sauce and cornstarch to avoid forming clumps. Get that all mixed. Then throw in the orange concentrate, barbecue sauce, and then the since it's winter, the coconut is solidified. So you measure it out. Measure it out on a scale. Microwave it, and it becomes liquefied again. You can pour it in. Then you mix things up under I don't know, medium to high heat until the begins to boil. And then take it off the burner. Put the sugar, or I use the sucanat here, and it's hot, so it dissolves right away. And then you pour it into a jar, and you're done. All right, enjoy.